Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to have multiple showcases on Steaml. Alright, let's begin. You should see your profile at the top right corner of the Steam window, usually displaying your username or avatar. Click on your name to access the drop-down menu and select Profile. This takes you to your Steam profile page, where you can see various showcases like your favorite game, recent activities, or any achievements you've displayed. By default, Steam allows you to have 2 showcases. However, if you want to add more showcases, you need to acquire additional ones from the Steam Points shop. First, locate the Edit Profile button on the right side of your profile page next to your name. Click on it and you'll be directed to the settings page for your profile. Once you're on the settings page, look for the Featured Showcase tab. This section lets you choose and customize which showcases appear on your profile. Here, you'll find a note mentioning that you can upgrade and add more showcases via the Steam Points shop. To buy additional showcases, click on the button that takes you to the Steam Points shop. Navigate to the Profile section, then select the Showcases tab. Here, you'll see a variety of showcase options such as rare achievements, game collections, workshop items, item showcases, and more. Each showcase type displays the cost in Steam Points, allowing you to see what's available and how much it costs. After deciding which showcases you want, purchase them using your Steam Points. For instance, adding a video showcase might cost 6,000 points. Once you've made your purchases, return to the Profile Settings page where you were customizing your featured showcases. You can now add the new showcases you bought, adjust their settings, and hit the Save button to update your profile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.